Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the study plan, how we can make our study plan for masters and PhD. So let's start. First you need to understand the program requirements. For example, if you are applying for master's degree in computer science or PhD in computer science, then you can see the program requirements, how much credit hours they are required, how much is the time to complete the master's or PhD degree. So you need to understand all that, familiar yourself with your department specific PhD requirements or master requirements, identify any mandatory coursework, qualifying exam and other milestones. Define research objectives. So in your research plan, you should clearly outline your research goals and objectives. Break down your research into manageable tasks and milestones. Identify the key research question and methodologies. Then create a timeline. Establish a realistic timeline for completing your PhD or master's degree. Consider the length of your program, required courses and research phases. Break down the timeline into semester or quarters. And then balance your coursework and research. Integrate your coursework with your research plan and then schedule your courses strategically considering their relevance to your research. Identify periods for focused research and aims for coursework. So basically you need to when you are, for example, doing master's degree, then first year you will have coursework. Mainly in the PhD also we have first year coursework. So during that coursework you can integrate your research plan, how what you will do for your research as well. When you are working on your coursework, then also you should integrate in research study plan that you will conduct some research work. For example, you can write that you will review some papers during that stage, so that you should build your research direction very good. So you can integrate that as well. Allocate time for writing. Plan your writing season for your dissertation or research papers. So you should allocate some plan after, like you will have the research idea, then you will do the experiments and then you will write the papers. Set aside time for literature review, data analysis, drafting paper chapters. Consider the deadline for conference submission or journal publication. So if you will, it's very like when you will mention the deadline of the conferences, like okay, I'll complete my paper in the during the second year of the PhD, and as the deadline of that conference is on that date, and I'll submit the paper on that date. So the reviewer will know that okay, you have done a lot of search for that. So that will put a good impact on your study plan. And stay organized. Maintain a well organized workspace and digital files. Keep track of reference notes, research material. Use productivity tools to enhance efficiency. After you will complete your research plan, then you should review it thoroughly so that there should be no mistake before submitting the study plan. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Take care. Bye.